their suggestion is that ambulance, which can we consider as a separate sector in healthcare, ambulance services. Manan says in disaster management also there is a health team, healthcare specific, and healthcare has a specific role in disaster management, right? So can we have a thought of a separate sector in healthcare industry which includes this kind of services? Yes, it also include air ambulance and all. So what should we call it? There is one keyword, maybe in US and other Western country, this terminology is being used. We can use it. That keyword to this sector is pre-hospital care. If you might have come across, right? Let's first write it: pre-hospital service or care. Now let us discuss this pre-hospital care or service sector, what it includes and what is their role in healthcare industry. As it's a 19th sector we have come across. I also I have listed down 18. Now you guys have suggested one more sector to add, and let us look at to this sector, what is going on in this sector and what should we consider it. First, let's evaluate with our definition criteria. It has a separate business format. Though hospitals has their own ambulances, but they are now the companies. There are also some startups. They are providing ambulance services as a in collaboration with the hospitals. They are also providing, right? So, and there are air ambulance services, and there are healthcare team or medical response team in a disaster management setup. So all that comes under this pre-hospital service. That means any kind of medical emergency, any kind of disaster, any kind of such patient need, their role is to secure the patient's primary need of the healthcare, transport that patient safely, securely to a particular place, maybe that at a hospital or a medical center, or maybe a inter-hospital transport, right? There are separate license required. I think in Gujarat, you need not to have a separate license for ambulance, but yeah, 108 is a service by government, right? That 108 is a government service. But in Delhi, if you want to run an ambulance, you need a separate license from RTO. Not pollution, but they have certain criteria, whether it is a basic ambulance or an advanced ambulance. On that basis, they approve the license and things, and they need to renew and all. But not every state has that requirement. And the infrastructure, yes, definitely the infrastructure is a separate requirement for this sector. So we can consider it. So thank you guys. That